The fox was brown, the fox was quick. The dog was brown, the dog was lazy. "You are a lazy dog," said the fox. "Yes, I am a lazy dog," said the dog. "Why are you a lazy dog?" asked the fox. "Why not?" asked the dog. "My owner feeds me, my owner takes me out for walks, my owner loves me. I eat, I go out for walks, I sleep, I'm a lazy, happy dog." "But don't you have any ambition?" asked the fox. "Ambition? Ambition to do what? I'm just a dog," said the dog. "Lassie was a dog. She saved people's lives," said the fox. "I'm too lazy to save people's lives," said the dog. "Let Lassie save people's lives." The baby bear followed his mama. Mama bear walked through the woods. She was looking for berries to eat. She found some blackberries. She started eating them. The baby started eating them too. They ate all the berries. Baby bear was full. Mama bear was still hungry. She started walking again. She wanted to find more berries to eat. Baby bear lay down. He was full. He wanted to take a nap. But Mama bear came back. She growled at baby bear. He understood Mama's growl. When Mama growled, he obeyed. He got up and followed his mama. Someday he would take a nap after a meal. A squirrel ran up a tree with a nut. It dropped the nut and ran back down to the ground. It picked up the nut and looked at baby bear. Then it ran back up the tree. Baby bear did not like nuts. They were too hard to open. She liked to feed popcorn to the pigeons. The pigeons liked to eat her popcorn. She put popcorn in her hand. A pigeon ate the popcorn in her hand. She put popcorn on her shoulder. A pigeon ate the popcorn on her shoulder. She put popcorn in her hair. A pigeon ate the popcorn in her hair. She sat down on a bench. It was a wooden bench in the park. She put popcorn all over the bench. She put popcorn all over her clothes. She put popcorn on her head. She put popcorn on her lap. Many pigeons landed on the bench. Many pigeons landed on her. Nobody could see her. Nobody could see the bench. Anthony went to the bookstore. He wanted to buy a book. He wanted to buy a book about bugs. He liked bugs. He picked up bugs in his yard. He took them to school. He showed the bugs to his teacher. His teacher told him the name of each bug. Then Anthony took the bugs home. He showed them to his parents. His mom told him to take the bugs out of the house. His dad liked to see the bugs. He said Anthony did a good job. He gave Anthony money to buy a book. So Anthony took the money to the bookstore. He looked for a book with lots of pictures of bugs. Kenny was crying. "Why are you crying, Mom?" asked Kenny. "The cat scratched me," said Kenny. The cat had scratched Kenny on his hand. Kenny showed his hand to his mom. The scratch didn't look too bad. It wasn't a deep scratch. Mom went to the kitchen. Kenny went with her. She turned on the water. She put his hand under the water. She washed the scratch with soap. She rinsed off the soap. She took a Band-Aid out of the kitchen cabinet. She put the Band-Aid on the scratch. She said he would be okay. "Why did the cat scratch you?" she asked. Kenny said he didn't know why the cat scratched him. Just then Kenny's little sister walked into the kitchen. She knew why the cat scratched Kenny. "I know why Tiger scratched him, Mommy," she said. "He was pulling Tiger's tail." "Tommy, the dog is scratching at the door," his mom yelled. "Take him for a walk. Make sure you take a plastic bag with you." Tommy said he didn't hear the dog scratching. He said the dog did not need to go for a walk. He said there were no plastic bags in the house. His mom said, "Take the dog for a walk right now, please." Tommy got the dog leash, a plastic bag, and a little plastic shovel. "How can I finish my homework when I have to walk the dog?" he asked his mom. "You can finish your homework when you get back," his mom said. He put the leash around the dog's neck and walked outside. It was cold outside. The dog walked to a tree. It pooped. Tommy put the poop into the plastic bag. "Yuck," he said. "This is worse than doing homework."